Here we go. Welcome back, YouTube. This is the Delta Executor version I have just downloaded, guys. Here, as you can see, let me enter the activation key, and here Delta key is being activated, and now I'm able to use the latest version of the Delta Executor over here. Okay, guys, so let me share you the site where I have actually downloaded the Delta Executor and gotten the activation key. Open up your browser and go to the address bar and type this website here, guys, robloxing.com. So guys, make sure you are spelling it right so that you can get into the right place. And this is the interface of the website here. Browse all this, create Roblox Executor, Delta Executor, and a lot of things you can get here. Tap on Delta Executor over here, and now it has opened up a page like this one. Here you need to enter your Roblox username or Roblox user ID so that you can connect to the Roblox server. And let me enter mine here. Not for ready. That's my Roblox username, guys. So tap on connect and user found. Okay, you see here, that's my Roblox avatar along with the Roblox user ID over here. Okay, guys, don't forget to tap over here so that you can get the newest version of the Delta Executor. And if you want some keyless script preloaded on your Delta Executor, here's the part. Tap on it so that you can get preloaded the activated scripts over here. Okay, now let me tap on continue. Okay, finalizing and importing and cleaning up the temporary files. Actually here it's been generating the Delta Executor version exclusively for this device, and the username, that's Roblox username I have entered. Okay, that's how the system actually works. And there's the activation key, and the last two digit is been hidden. Okay, what I need to do is pretty simple. Here Google Capture has been given. Tap here so that I can unlock the activation key and finalize the installation process. And the capture verification here, guys, redirected me to the bot verification by completing 2 tasks from the list below. Actually that's pretty easy, and what you need to do is pretty simple. Install 2 apps from here, open the apps and sign up there by using your Google account or phone number. After you do that, stay on the app minimum for the 30 seconds. You don't have to make any purchase, you don't have to do any activity, just open the app for 30 seconds and you're all done. And in case if you need any assistant, you can watch this tutorial video given over here, okay, or you can write there if you needed any kind of assistant, guys. So here's the Delta Executor version. Let me search for the script I have injected using that site, okay, by launching the blocks fruit. Okay, I'm gonna search for the Red Hub. It's taking some time. Keep joining the server, and now Delta Executor is being launched on the blocks fruit. Let me join the private team. Okay, guys, let me go for the script here. You gotta search for it. Let me search for the Reds Hub. Okay, Reds Hub by entering just Reds, and here you see new Reds Hub universal script. Okay, open script, and here is the script, guys. You don't have to do this technical part, it will be all done through the robloxing.com, guys. So enjoy the tutorial video and don't forget to share among your friends if they also needed the Delta Executor newest version, guys. See you very soon.